Good morning, everyone. Billyjack on location from the breathtaking, incredible McKinley High School campus. Just stunning for a high school, wouldn't you say? I've been to a couple of high schools myself. Nothing that looked like this. As you can see, the windows all line up below ground with the ones above ground. The level of ground has been the same since the mud flood, possibly of 1802. As you can see by the tree roots, numerous tree roots above ground, post mud flood trees everywhere, post mud flood. No pre-mud flood yet. But just beautiful buildings. Over there on that building, this building in particular, we have the Blue Griffins. Seem to have been slightly modified, possibly. That's the second building. Royal Hawaiians got them. Royal Hawaiian Resort. McKinley High School, this building. Then that Oddfellows building over there by the Mission Homes. And supposedly they're on Iolani Palace too. But just, they noticed the grading. They just left the dirt just like it was from the mud flood. Notice the slope of the land. It's all about the same angle here. It's just a beautiful, beautiful complex, just spectacular. I guess they put a little more value into their kids back in them days. This looks more like an administration building to me. Something along those lines. Billyjack over and out.